Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim free 250 Dogecoin for free. I mean, Dogecoin. When you're talking about Dogecoin, it's a Elon Musk token these days. So you just have to there's new Dogecoin going on right now, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So first thing, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, share with your friends, and I will drop all the details in the description down below. So let's get down.
You are going to come to DApp over here. You can see DApp over here. Click on it and you will input the link you copied over here. So paste the link and you load it. Okay, once the site finally loads like this, you are going to be changing the network from Ethereum network to Smart Chain. Over here, just change the Smart Chain. It's now on Smart Chain because this network, this token is on the Smart Chain. You will claim it here. Click on it. It will bring you down to here. Over here is where we'll be claiming this token. You can see it has 77 days to go, and we are going to be claiming 250 of mDoge. So click on here now. It will initiate a smart contract call. So now I will go ahead and approve this token by clicking on approve over here. But if you want to reduce the gas limit because it's 25 cents over here, we'll come to settings to reduce it. Okay, here now is I will put 0 there. I haven't done that. I will then save it back. Okay, it reduced a bit. The token is just charging 0.0045 BNB. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on approve. Once I click on approve, I will have this token on my wallet. I will then put my password. Okay, you can see I have been able to claim this token successful. I will go back by clicking on exit. Next thing I will do is going to add it manually so that this token will appear in my portfolio. You can get the contract address from the description of this video or from my Telegram community. You can get it over there, or you come to this side, downside here. You can see smart contract, click on it. It will bring BSC scan. So once you're on BSC scan, we will be able to copy this address over here. Okay, this BSC scan, I'm going to copy it. You can see the contract here. I will click on copy over here. Then I will come back here by going back. Then come to my wallet over here. I will quickly come to this place. Here now, I will paste the contract I copied. The next thing I will do is by clicking on add custom token. So once you click on add custom token, you first change the name again from Ethereum network to Smart Chain. Haven't done that, I will click on the paste. You can see I now have MetaDoge as the name, mDoge as the symbol, and decimal is 18. So next thing I will do is by clicking on done right now. Okay, I have been able to get 250 of mDoge right in my wallet. With little tax, I've been able to get this token. I can get more of it by claiming it again with little gas limit. I can equally join the pre-sale if I want to join it. I can also join the referral program to earn more, even earning BNB. So what you will do is come to your Smart Chain. You click on receive, copy the address, then you go back to the site by going back to DApp, click on the website again. So I will just paste the link again, then open it back so I will be able to join the pre-sale and the referral program. So what you do here, you have this thing, you scroll down and you'll be able to get more details about this particular project. So when you scroll down, you will see where you can join the pre-sale and join the referral program so that you can earn enough of this token or earn more on BNB by referring your friends to join. So you can see more details about this project, the NFT, and the roadmap. You will get it from here. So over here now you can see the listing price of this token. This is the listing price of it, and this token is going to go live on July 5, 2022. So to buy, you will spend 0.01 BNB and you get 2,500 of MDoge. The mass buy-in here, you are going to spend 10 BNB. You will get 2.5 million of this token. So how to join the pre-sale? You come over here, input the amount of BNB you have, then you proceed in buying it by clicking on buy now. For the referral program, referral is unlimited. You can refer as many as you want. So you click on here, input the smart chain address you copied over here. As I'm going to paste it here now, then you generate the link. I've been able to generate this link now. So what I will do now is click on copy. If you look at it now, I've been able to copy this link. I'm going to share it now, so I will be able to have more from this token. So over here now you can get other details. If you come down, you can see every other details about this token. You can easily get it from here. That's all you need to know about this project. Please kindly like and share this video and give me a thumbs up for more videos like this. Go ahead and share the video, invite your friends so that you will also earn from the referral program. Thanks.